Hey, it's Ben. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mask with just a scarf. You don't need any other equipment like rubber bands or hair ties like they're teaching you in other videos. And the reason why I like this is that you can just grab your scarf and head out to the supermarket or wherever it is that you need to go to. The one thing I should mention before I show you how to do this is that you can grab a scarf and you can wrap it around your mouth, but the problem is you can even tighten it up here, but it's loose down here and stuff can get in or stuff can get out. So this design that I'm about to teach you will be tight up top and at the bottom. Okay, so here it goes.
Girl, I can write you right